Mga binibili ng Aquino, kalalapag po lamang natin sa pandaigdigang paliparan ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligayang pagdating sa Maynila. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt. Huwag po lamang kunin ang mga hand-carried baggage hanggang ang ating eroplano ay ganap ng nakahinto. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay napapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong makikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport and is now taxiing towards Centennial Terminal 2. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop and is properly parked. At this time, communication is still ongoing between the flight deck and the control tower. For this, may we request our passengers to please refrain from switching on your cell phones until after you have disembarked. For passengers with connecting flights, our ground personnel at the transfer desk located at the arrival area will be more than happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Wesley Dale, First Officer Ninoy Aquino, and the rest of your Airbus A320 cabin crew, thank you for flying Asia's first Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. For passengers who requested special assistance, please display labs for proper endorsements by our cabin crew to our ground staff. Wheelchair passengers with MAAS stickers will be given priority among those who need special assistance. Thank you for your cooperation.
Flying back home.
Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, daghang salamat sa inyong pagsakay uban kanamo. Kami nang hinaot na magkita-kitang pag-usap sa umaabot pa ninyong mga pagbiyahe. Time check for your convenience, it is 1 minute before the hour 5 in the afternoon. Once again, from Philippine Airlines, thank you and mabuhay. Welcome to Manila. May you have a pleasant stay here as well as your final points of destination.